This is our small flower jar. Can be used in the bedroom, living room and other home scenes. Can also be used as wedding decoration. The product is beautiful and transparent. With flowers or dried flowers, can create a warm style. Glass flower jar of many styles. We have more than 10 years of experience in the industry. Support customization. Our company is located in China. Which has a long history and advanced technology in vessel making. If you need, you can contact us.